Have you been growing a jade plant for years but still haven't seen a single flower? You're not alone. Most jade plants stay green and healthy but never bloom because they aren't getting the specific conditions they need. The good news is that with a few simple changes, you can encourage your jade plant to produce beautiful clusters of star-shaped white or pink flowers. In this video, we'll reveal 10 powerful tips that can help turn your ordinary jade plant into a blooming showpiece. Stay until the end, because the final tip is often the missing secret that many plant owners overlook. Number 1. Give your jade plant plenty of sunlight. Sunlight is the most important factor when it comes to encouraging a jade plant to bloom. These succulents naturally grow in bright environments and thrive when they receive at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. A south-facing window is often the best location indoors. Without enough light, jade plants become leggy and focus all their energy on producing leaves rather than flowers. If your plant has been sitting in a dim corner, gradually move it to a brighter spot. Consistent exposure to strong sunlight helps the plant store energy and increases the likelihood of developing flower buds. Number 2. Let your plant reach maturity. Many gardeners expect young jade plants to bloom, but flowering usually happens only when the plant reaches maturity. Depending on growing conditions, a jade plant may need 3 to 5 years or more before it's ready to produce flowers. Mature plants typically have thicker trunks, woody stems, and a more established root system. Younger plants simply focus on growth rather than reproduction. If your jade plant is still relatively small, don't be discouraged. Continue providing proper care and give it time. Patience is a key ingredient when growing a jade plant that eventually rewards you with beautiful blooms. Number 3. Avoid overwatering. Overwatering is one of the most common reasons jade plants fail to bloom. These succulents store water in their thick leaves and prefer soil that dries out completely between waterings. Constantly moist soil can weaken the roots and prevent the plant from entering the natural cycle that encourages flowering. During winter, reduce watering even more because jade plants need a resting period. A slightly dry environment mimics their natural habitat and can help trigger bloom production. Always check the soil before watering and remember that jade plants tolerate drought much better than excessive moisture. Number 4. Provide cool winter temperatures. A cool winter rest period can make a huge difference in flowering success. Jade plants often bloom after experiencing cooler nighttime temperatures between 50 degrees and 60 degrees, or about 10 degrees C to 15 degrees C. This seasonal change signals the plant to begin developing flower buds. If your jade plant stays in a warm room year-round, it may never receive the environmental cues it needs. Place it in a bright location with cooler temperatures during fall and winter. Combined with reduced watering, this seasonal shift can significantly increase the chances of seeing blooms the following season. Number 5. Keep it slightly root-bound. Unlike many houseplants, jade plants often perform better when they are slightly root-bound. When roots fill the pot comfortably, the plant tends to focus less on root growth and more on flowering. Large pots may encourage excessive root expansion and leafy growth instead of blooms. If your jade plant seems healthy and isn't struggling, avoid repotting too often. When repotting becomes necessary, choose a container only slightly larger than the current one. Maintaining a snug root environment helps direct the plant's energy toward flower production while keeping overall growth compact and attractive. Number 6. Use fast-draining soil. Healthy roots are essential for blooming. Jade plants require soil that drains quickly and prevents water from accumulating around the roots. A cactus or succulent potting mix is usually the best option because it allows excess moisture to escape easily. You can improve drainage further by adding perlite, pumice, or coarse sand. Poorly draining soil increases the risk of root rot, which weakens the plant and reduces flowering potential. By providing a fast-draining growing medium, you create conditions similar to the jade plant's native habitat and support stronger growth and future blooms. Number 7. Fertilize the right way. While jade plants don't need heavy feeding, occasional fertilization can help support blooming. Use a balanced fertilizer formulated for succulents during the active growing season in spring and summer. Avoid overfeeding, especially with high nitrogen fertilizers, because they encourage leafy growth rather than flowers. Applying fertilizer once every 4 to 6 weeks is usually enough. Stop fertilizing during fall and winter when the plant naturally slows down. A balanced feeding schedule provides the nutrients necessary for healthy growth while still allowing the plant to direct energy toward developing flower buds. Number 8. Give it long nights. Many gardeners don't realize that darkness plays a role in flowering. Jade plants often respond better when they experience longer periods of uninterrupted darkness during fall and winter. Bright indoor lighting late into the evening can disrupt this natural process. Try placing your plant in a room where lights remain off overnight. This simple adjustment helps mimic outdoor seasonal conditions and may encourage flower bud formation. Combining bright daylight hours with dark nights creates an environment that supports the natural flowering cycle and helps prepare your jade plant for blooming. Number 9. Avoid frequent relocation. Jade plants appreciate consistency. Frequently moving the plant from room to room can expose it to changing light levels, temperatures, and humidity conditions. This constant adjustment can stress the plant and reduce its willingness to bloom. Once you find a bright location that provides suitable growing conditions, try to leave the plant there. Stable conditions allow it to focus on growth and flower production rather than adapting to new environments. A happy jade plant is one that enjoys predictable care, consistent sunlight, and minimal disturbances throughout the year. Number 10. Be patient and stay consistent. The final and perhaps most important tip is patience. Even when all conditions are perfect, jade plants may not bloom every year. Flowering depends on maturity, seasonal cues, environmental conditions, and overall plant health. Continue providing bright sunlight, proper watering, cool winter temperatures, and well-draining soil. Avoid making drastic changes and allow your plant to develop naturally over time. Many gardeners are rewarded after years of consistent care when their jade plant suddenly bursts into clusters of beautiful star-shaped flowers. The wait may be long, but the results are truly worth it. Those are the 10 best tips to help your jade plant bloom and show off its stunning flowers. Remember, success comes from combining bright sunlight, proper watering, cool winter conditions, and plenty of patience. Not every jade plant blooms quickly, but with consistent care, your chances improve dramatically. Have you ever seen your jade plant flower? Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear your tips and success stories. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more plant care guides, gardening tips, and indoor plant inspiration. See you in the next video.